Hi friends, I hope you're doing well. I'm here with a new video where we will discuss the new model of the ZAI. ZAI have launched the GLM 5.2 model in the previous days. You have seen so many changes and so many updates about the GLM 5.2, but exactly what the model provides you the working and what the change mainly in it. You can see the graph here. Here is the benchmark of the multiple models and the GLM 5.2 have the fourth number of the architecture artificial and analysis intelligence index. So GLM also provide the description or details. ZAI GLM 5.2 is the new leading open weight model on the artificial analysis intelligence index, scoring the 51 and its side sits on the Pareto frontier of intelligence versus cost per task. Versus cost per task mean they consume the minimum cost by developing the frontier interior or frontier development or frontier task. And there are so other things are mentioned, like GLM 5.2 is the same size of 5.1 and the parameters and the cost evaluation is almost the same, but the placing ahead of Minimax M344 and DeepSeek V4 Pro Max on the first party API is priced in the line with the GLM 5.1. It means they all charge the same price of the GLM 5.1, but it compete the DeepSeek V4 Pro and Minimax M3. These are also the newly updated models. Finally, artificial analysis intelligence index concluded the GLM 5.2. So we can go up and see the latest more updates about the GLM. Here is the next update, like the benchmark related is AA briefcase is a new benchmark for testing models on long horizon knowledge. What task is the complex project built by industry experts? Like if you want to give the command to any to this model, which will take some time, like 1 or 2 hours or anything else, but it will handle easily the long task and long time as well, and parallel working is very stable in this GLM 5.2 model. So you can compare with other models like Fable 5. Fable 5 is currently unavailable because of United States banned this model currently. After some time it will be eligible to use. And the second portion is the Claude Opus 4.8, and then third one is GLM 5.2, which is on the third number in all upper models or all high class models. This update is very beneficial compared to other models, like if you can see here, here is the also update, like frontier intelligence open weight. See the graph, no thinking, and here is the max point of GLM 5.1. but if you can see on the GLM 5.2, it's starting, no thinking is starting above than the max of 5.1, and the maximum point is almost 75, like score is 75 of the GLM 5.2, and the maximum point is here, high point is here of the Claude Opus 4.8. It's near about the Claude Opus 4.8, not equal to, it will be equal to after the update of next model. Maybe it will be GLM 5.3. And now we go to the ZAI chat. Here is the ZAI chat, and you can see here the chat option, agent option, AI PPT option is here. You can click on the chat, we'll see the some options, some samples, and if you can hover on it, you can click on the prompt. The prompt will be to develop this front end application, and you can preview also this application and you can click to the next tab, and here are the options like 3D modeling and mini game and the personal blogs as well. Now the option of agent is here, and click to the full stack. In the full stack, long running task, website and the product as well are mentioned. If you can click on the long running task or full stack, it's up to you. I just want to tell you how you can use this GLM 5.2. Click to the prompt. Here is the simple prompt like build a YouTube like website, and click to the preview. They also developed this website as a sample for you. It's this model developed this application by creating these options, these stacks, and then all the details. See here, everything is like a YouTube, and the filters are also working, and on click to all, the all details, all videos are mentioned. Click to any video, it's yes, loading, and now it will be run, and the click rate and then like or dislike is also working like this, and then save, share, on click to share, and then copy this link of the YouTube and then share to anyone. You can see here, I just scroll to the bottom, it's showing the small screen of your video which you have run, and I can go up, then the large video is showing at your screen. Here is a very good project, and it's only a single line or 4 to 5 words command, and you will see the full track application is ready for the production. So these are also showing like live chats and then comments as well. I can give the comment like ABC and click to comment button. Hopefully it will be commenting on this app. If not, then no problem, but yes, comment is also done. Some work will be remaining obviously because of every person has its own demand, so you can run your application, build your application according to your demand. This is the very best way, very quick and then small way to run application. If you want to run the e-commerce application, then it implement an end-to-end user experience in introducing the product, browsing, cart management, secure checkout, payment integration, and the order history. These are all the features of e-commerce application have mentioned, and it will be created everything according to your demand. You can mention everything which you want, then will be developed within some minutes. Okay, that's all by using this task, and click to the AI PPT. On AI PPT you can develop the PPT. These are all the stuffs, and if we go to the further detail of the ZAI or GLM 5.2, if you want to integrate your GLM 5.2 on your Cloud Code, it's very simple, very simple. You can first install your setup of the Cloud Code. For that, here is the official Cloud Code application site. I have Mac OS, then I will install this command, run this command. I just copy this command and will paste at the terminal. If you have Windows, then you can use the PowerShell or CMD command. I can open the terminal, and here is the terminal. Just pasted this URL and will be enter. It will be installing, but I have already Cloud Code, that's why I will not install again, and just run the Cloud. Yes, Claude, if you can run the Claude, it will be showing the, yes, the screen is showing like Opus 4.81 million context. API usage billing is here. Here is the Claude running at my system. Next, I can open the Claude at the VS Code, Claude folder structure and the files on the VS Code. If you don't have VS Code, then you can please go to the official site of VS Code is here, and then click to the first link. It will be showing you the like this, and download for Mac OS. I have Mac OS. They detected my system and showing. So if you have other, then you click to the other platforms. It will be showing the every platform you can install accordingly. After installing, just write go to the CD and then folder of Claude. If you go to the Claude folder, then write code space dot. It's the code VS Code command. It will be showing you the VS Code, all the Claude files on VS Code. You see here the settings .json file. Here is the settings.json file. I have added some things in it to show you the for testing. So now I can again tell you how you can integrate this one. After installing this Claude code, again we can go to the installation process of the GLM 5.2 on VS Code. You need the installing the Claude code. I have already installed this one, and the Node.js 18 or newer version will be at your system. If you don't have, then you don't need to worry. I have installed directly. Never use this method because of I have used directly the Claude code. And now the second point is to configure the GLM. Configure the GLM coding plan and access the ZAI open platform and registration login. So for that you can click to the API. It will be installing on the screen like this. This is the screen where you can get the coding plan. I don't have coding plan. I haven't subscribed the coding plan. Then I can show you what are the coding plans. Like monthly plan is $16.2 per month. Pro model is here, and these are all the models you can use accordingly. And I want to just show you the API key integration. API key integration is here, and you can create the new API key. Like you can write the any name for the identification. This API is working where you are using this API. So I can just copy this API and then we'll paste here. Here the API is pasted, and where I have copied this JSON data. JSON data is mentioned in the ZAI integration setup. Configure the environment variables. Here are the environment variables. I have copied the API key. Now environment variables are mentioned like this: automated script and then manual script. Just you can copy this script and then paste here. I have pasted and then also pasted the API key. This is mentioned in it as well. We have already set it up all the things. It will be set it up and will be run at your Claude Opus. Claude code will be run your GLM 5.2 at your system. These are the integrations of the GLM 5.2. Now that's all from my side. I will come back to how you can reduce the token size, token length, or token count at your models, because these models run fast, but these models also use the much tokens to generate the code and generate the any task. So how we can reduce and concise the token size and the prompt size? For that we will come back with another video. Stay with us, share, like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.